and I hope you all enjoy the video. The shade which I have chosen for my design is from Flicker Cosmetics, shade number 79, Timescape, and this shade matches with my outfit very well. And yes, shade black from Chambord. Let's get started with the first base coat.